It's time for Don and Ron. You won't get this anywhere else.
Howdy folks, welcome to another edition of Don and Ron. We're fixing to start on a project. It's really an epic project. It's a wonderful project that we purchased from a guy named Charlie Harris. Many of you may or may not know Charlie. Charlie was one of those guys that really collected a lot of one-of-a-kind airplanes, really cool airplanes. He was the president for EAA Vintage, okay? So, I mean, he was the man when it come to the vintage aircraft. He was with the EAA for many, many years. Well, we're very fortunate to find out about a pretty unique piece. It's a 1945 J3. The J3 itself, you know, being a 45, it was made from a lot of surplus military parts because they, you know, when the war ended in 45, they took and used these parts to build these civilian airplanes. And so it was very interesting trying to really research it, find out about it, but really found out this airplane itself was a one of a kind. Less than 700 hours. Only had one logbook since it was built originally. And it had one engine logbook with another couple of pages in another logbook, but it has the original wood sensitive prop. It has the original engine, original seats, original instruments. It had the original wood spars with the grease pencil marks, all kind of different things. So when we found the airplane, it was that little time capsule. There's pieces on there that you don't see on J3s nowadays because they've taken them off when they've rebuilt them, not put them back on. So as we move forward to this project, you're really going to get to see these unique features, and I can't wait to really tear it apart and see what it looks like inside. It looks really good from the outside. So come along with us to this journey to build this really one-of-a-kind J3, and whoever gets it when it's all said and done. Right now it's owned by Michael Brewer, but you know, he's going to have it for a little while, but he's going to be selling the airplane. And when we get done with this one, because of all the original stuff on it, you know, it's going to be valued at $135,000. It's not going to be your normal J3. That's how unique it is. So come along, see how we do it, see all the pictures and parts and pieces as we restore those pieces and parts for this airplane. Thanks for joining Don and Ryan today. Remember, like, share, subscribe, and leave comments for us. Thanks again.